Major retailer JB Hi-Fi has recently been sued, accused of selling extended warranties that are a waste of time and money. So what are your rights and when is it worth paying extra? Litigation lawyer Alex Martin is here to help. Hello again, Alex. Firstly, can you start by telling us what is an extended warranty?
Good evening, Monica. Well, an extended warranty is a warranty that goes beyond what you might normally expect for a product like that. So often it's a 3-year or a 6-year. Certainly in JB Hi-Fi's case, it's a 3-year or a 6-year extension to the normal warranty that you get under the Australian consumer law.
This JB Hi-Fi issue has been going on for 13 years. Why wasn't it caught out sooner?
Yes, that's a good question. So extended warranties are a grey area of law. So I think it's taken a while for it to be challenged, and also you're dealing generally with transactions which are quite small, and so I think no single sale has attracted enough attention until now.
Is anyone eligible for a refund then?
Yes, so in the JB Hi-Fi case, anyone who purchased an extended warranty between 1 January 2011 and 8 December 2023, so that's just recently, will be part of the class action. They don't need to register to be part of the class action. They will be unless they decide to opt out.
What will they need to prove that though? Because not many would have a receipt from 13 years ago.
Yes, so you won't actually need a receipt. You will need to show that you purchased a product from JB Hi-Fi. So a serial number is normally enough, a bank statement, something like that. I think it's reasonable for them to at least be able to establish that they purchased from JB Hi-Fi, but they don't need their original receipt.
In this case, JB has been alleged to charge money for something customers were already entitled to for free. What are our current rights?
Yes, so if you purchase goods in Australia, then you'll automatically get a consumer, what they call a consumer guarantee under the Australian consumer law. And so you're entitled to buy a product that's free from defects, to buy a product that matches the description that is given, and a product that is fit for the purpose for which it was intended.
What if someone's looking at a $20 toaster and also a $200 toaster? Should they expect the same level of performance from both, or is it fair to say that one should outperform the other?
Yes, that's an excellent question. The answer is absolutely not. And that's really the key issue with consumer refunds. Your rights are dependent on the context. So a $20 second-hand toaster is going to have a much narrower and shorter refund period than, say, a brand new refrigerator that you paid $2,000 for.
In some cases, we're offered extended warranty, but only if we register all our details. Why is that? Yeah. And what do they get out of that data?
Yes, well, you shouldn't need to give any particular information in order to extend your warranty. I think it's reasonable for the retailer to expect you to register maybe your name and address, contact details, phone number, but they shouldn't be using that in any way beyond for the guarantee. They shouldn't be using it for marketing, for instance, and if they are using it for marketing, then you're certainly entitled to ask them that they stop contacting you or that they remove you from their marketing. It's true.
Viewer comments. Paul Smythe writes, complete waste of money. I got roped into one. When I went to claim it was knocked back, saying that wasn't covered. What do extended warranties cover?
An extended warranty should give you a warranty for repair or replacement of the goods beyond what you're already entitled to. So it should be for a longer time or a more significant repair. So you're talking about 6, 10, maybe 12-year warranties, that sort of thing.
What could void a warranty?
Damage from the consumer. So that's the main one. If a consumer tries to repair something themselves and causes damage, or just damages the goods themselves, and often that can be the subject of a dispute whether the goods were defective or whether they were damaged by the consumer. And certainly, obviously, consumers aren't protected by change of mind. So if you go back and decide that you want to buy something else, then you're not protected.
Patricia Caminita says, never bought it with any product. When should we consider an extended warranty?
Yes, I think you would want an extended warranty when you're spending a large amount of money for a product, and when when the extended warranty offered gives a long period of service. So, say if you bought a refrigerator and you got a 10-year warranty, that's something that I'd be interested in. I'm spending a lot of money on my refrigerator or an oven or something like that. Whereas if you're buying a very cheap product, a toaster, which is the example we used before, I suspect a warranty isn't going to be worth your while.
Grant Murphy names a company, which we won't, and says they should be investigated. Now, where do you go to complain about an extended warranty?
Your main options are, if you want to complain, you can obviously take your own action against a retailer, but you can also go to the ACCC or to the Consumer Affairs department in your state.
On that note, Nathan Ferry says Good Guys has always been good with us when we purchase concierge warranty, and he's not the only one praising Good Guys. How do consumers know or make sure that they are getting a good deal on an extended warranty?
Well, I think that is something that consumers need to do their own research. So there's a lot of information you can find online in terms of reviews both from retailers and for individual products. And I think that consumer law isn't meant to be a substitute for common sense. People need to ask their friends, ask their community what experience they've had with retailers, and then vote with their feet. Use the retailers that provide the good service. I think one of the problems in the industry generally is people are often looking just for the cheapest option. If you go for the cheapest option, you're often going to end up with the dodgiest option.
Alex Martin from Taurus Lawyers, we really appreciate your time.
Thanks, Monica.